What is the current economic situation of import business in Pakistan? Is it wise to continue importing in these circumstances? Today, we delve into the economic climate of Pakistan with a spotlight on the import sector. The situation is becoming increasingly critical with no significant signs of improvement. Importers are grappling with strict payment terms that prevent them from making advance payments. Two options: the letter of credit, authorization or LCA, and document against payment or DP are typically available to them. But even these have become problematic. The LCA is currently inaccessible, leaving importers reliant on the DP term. However, even this is proving challenging, with banks refusing to release payments, causing a ripple effect of difficulties. Even though importers have the necessary capital, they are unable to make payments, which is leading to a tarnished reputation among their international suppliers. Despite having the capital, importers are facing major hurdles in making payments, leading to a tarnished reputation among international suppliers. Given the current economic situation, what does the future hold for import businesses in Pakistan? The situation is grim, and the long-term impacts could be severe. Relationships with international suppliers are strained, with many importers unable to make payments despite having funds. This predicament certainly does not inspire confidence and could potentially damage Pakistan's reputation in the global trade market. Recently, there have been protests by traders outside the state bank. Their demands for a solution to the payment crisis echo the frustrations and worries of many in the import business. The uncertainty and concern are not limited to importers alone. Exporters too feel the pinch, as they navigate a landscape of financial instability and unpredictable policy changes. In such a precarious economic situation, one must carefully consider whether to engage in import business. Those already importing are facing significant challenges, and it remains to be seen how these will be addressed.